Afternoon students, let us continue with the exercise 19a, standard 10th, chapter trigonometry, and publisher is a Frank EMU, page number 222. So our question was the third question we have done in the last previous video. They have given you, this is a right angle triangle ABC, which is a right angle at point B. We have to find the BC, AC and cot theta, and given information is cos theta is equal to 0.96 and AB is equal to 24 centimeter. So let's start. We have whatever they given to you first, right? We have cos theta is equal to 0.96. We will convert it in a fraction. So when I will eliminate this decimal point, two numbers are there, so I will write 20. So it will convert it a 96 upon 100. You make it in a simple form. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16, 425. So your cos theta is equal to 24 upon 25. This is the ratio of cos theta is 24 upon 25. Now I taught you that cos theta is nothing but your adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So here your theta, this is your theta. So this is your adjacent type, 24 is given to you, and I have calculated hypotenuse is your 25. So with the help of Pythagoras theorem you can get the BC. So let's start. In right angled triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC square is given to you, they have given here, I have calculated over here, that is 25 square, AB is 24 square plus BC square. This is 625 is equal to 576 plus BC square, and therefore I will get BC square is equal to 625 minus 576. So BC square is equal to 49. Hence BC I am getting here 7. So which number I am getting BC here? 7. So this is one of the triplet also. This is 7, 24, 25 is also said to be the triplet. Okay? BC is 7. Now I have calculated my BC. My first BC is equal to 7. After that AC. AC also 25 with the help of this one. Second AC is equal to 25. Now cot theta. Now third one is here cot theta. Cot theta is what? Cot theta is equal to, I told you, cos theta upon sin theta, or you can say that adjacent side upon opposite side. So theta, this is your adjacent side 24 and this is your opposite side 7. So cot theta is equal to 24 upon 7. So in this way your first question number 4 is over. You can see it. Now come to the question number 5th. Question number 5th. This diagram is given to you, and again it is 90 degree. This is P, Q, R, and this is beta. This is also 90 degree. It is given to you 16, 20, 21. Now to find cos alpha and sin beta. Cos alpha and sin beta. Cos alpha. Now you can see where is my alpha. Alpha is here, given to you alpha. So alpha belongs to your triangle PQR. Alpha belongs to your triangle PQR. So let's start. Solution. In, always mention, always write in right angled triangle PQR. ठीक है, PQ is given to you, PQ is given to you 16, PR is given to you 20. We have to find this one. So you can easily calculate with the help of the Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem is PR square is equal to hypotenuse square is equal to one side square plus other side square. So what is your P square? PR square is given to you 20 square, PQ square is 16 square plus QR square. This is your 400, it is 256 plus QR square. Now therefore QR square is equal to 400 minus 256. So 10 minus 6 4, 10 minus 6 4, 4 minus 3 1. So your QR square is equal to 144. Hence I will get QR is equal to 12. So my QR is 12. Now they are asking you cos alpha. So let me calculate the cos alpha. Cos alpha. Cos alpha is what? Adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Now this is my alpha. Adjacent side of alpha is this one. This one is your hypotenuse. This is also adjacent, but this is fixed side, which is said to be the hypotenuse. So you can't make the confusion between your hypotenuse and adjacent side. So adjacent side is the 12 and hypotenuse is 20. So my answer will be the 12 upon 20. You can make it in a lowest form, that is 4 3s are 12, 4 5s are 20. So my cos alpha is equal to 3 upon 5. Now second one is sin beta. Sin beta, you can see here sin beta is in the triangle PRS. Here is the beta. So we have to think about the triangle BRS. Again do the same process. Again I will take triangle. Again in triangle, right angle triangle. It is very necessary to write the right angle triangle, because when you are mentioning the right angle triangle, you are eligible to do the Pythagoras theorem. In a right angle triangle PRS, ठीक है, R is equal to 90 degree. Here also you can mention angle Q is equal to 90 degree. So PRS is equal to 90 degree using Pythagoras theorem. Again hypotenuse square, 90 degree, opposite side of a 90 degree is said to be the hypotenuse. So my hypotenuse is this one and other two sides are these two. Always remember, side opposite to 90 is your hypotenuse. So PS square is equal to PR square plus RS square. Pythagoras theorem, PS square we have to calculate, and 20 square plus 21 square. So it will be the 400 plus 441, which is equal to 841. So PS square is equal to 841. PS is equal to, you should have to know student, square of the given number. So it is a 29 square is your 841. So my PB, that is PS, is equal to 29. Now they are asking you sin alpha. Sin alpha, what is the sin beta? Sin beta, what is the formula for sin beta? Opposite upon hypotenuse. So beta का opposite side कौन सा है? PR, और hypotenuse 29. So sin beta, therefore second sin beta is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse. Opposite side is what? Beta, that is PR. Upon hypotenuse is PS. PR is 20 upon 29. In this way I am getting my result. This is sin beta and this is cos alpha. So next question will be on the next video. Thank you. Bye.